Take a look at this. Elon Musk agreed with a tweet saying that the, quote, game is rigged, unquote, if he cannot buy Twitter. Now, let's bring in our good friend Jeff Seeker. Jeff, hi to you. You think Musk needs to get Wall Street to go along with his plan in order to successfully take over Twitter, which I know, by the way, you're not a huge fan of.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan, Ashley, not even close. But I will say that, you know, the whole idea of the game is rigged. I mean, I've been doing this for 30 years, and I won't say that the entire game is rigged, but a lot of it is. And what Elon Musk needs to do, first of all, he's at war right now. Last week on the show, I said that two scenarios are going to evolve. Either he's going to take over Twitter or he's going to figuratively burn it to the ground. Now, the next phase in that war has got to be for Elon to get Wall Street on his side. If you look at the holdings of Twitter, you have the top is Vanguard, Elon Musk, Morgan Stanley, BlackRock, and State Street. Now, a lot of the institutions that own Twitter stock own it through their exchange-traded fund program. Essentially, there's about 127 exchange-traded funds that own Twitter. So essentially, these institutions own Twitter by default. They're just buying them because Twitter is lucky enough to be included in these indexes. So if the Wall Street really cares about value, because this is a garbage stock, to say this is a dog of a stock, I can't even say that because I like dogs and it's offensive to dogs. But what I will say is they need to unlock the value of this company, and Wall Street needs to push, because if you take all these institutions, put their holdings together, what you'll find is they have a lot of power, and they have to put it forward now.
I'm just marking it down. Jeff Seeker definitely doesn't like Twitter. All right. By the way, Jeff, do you see a recession? I want to get your thoughts on that. Some people say we can get through this without one. What are your thoughts?
I think either we're going to hit a recession or we're already in one. And the reason I'm saying that is higher energy prices. This inflation right now is paralyzing the consumer. 70% of the economy is driven by the consumer, and the consumers are hurting now. And they were able to sustain themselves through a good part of this for various reasons. But now that you see interest rates coming up, you see the housing market beginning to turn, I think we're on our way into a recession. And I think what's gonna happen is, now that the Fed is saying they're gonna get more aggressive because they're finally acknowledging that this inflation is real, I think we're gonna see consumers pull back, and that's the worst thing that could happen right now.
Well, on that happy note, we'll have to leave it there, Jeff Seeker. But speaking your mind, on fire this morning. Great stuff as always, Jeff. Thank you very much.